Hi everyone, I'm Nikita, Product Manager at Fogwing Industrial Cloud. We have launched a latest version of Fogwing CMMS, that is version 2.19, and I'm excited to share the updates with you all today. Based on your valuable feedback, we have added these new features that are designed to make your operations more efficient and user-friendly. We have introduced the asset-wise part usage report, which helps you track parts usage across assets and optimize inventory. The Asset 360 view now includes enhanced parts usage details, providing better insights into asset performance. Our new weekly digest email delivers key metrics and updates straight to your inbox. Finally, we have launched a dedicated support page to assist you with guides and troubleshooting. To walk you through these updates, I'll hand it over to Prasad, our customer success specialist. Over to you, Prasad.
Thank you, Nikita. Hello, everyone. My name is Prasad, and I'm part of customer success team here. And today we are going to show you all the new features, functions, and enhancement that we have done in the latest update of Fogwin CMMS version 2.19. So starting with the first update that we have done is in the report section here. So let me quickly navigate to the report section here. You can choose a setting from the left menu item here, and you can go to the reports in a metrics section here. And once you click on report in the inventory section, you can see that asset wise part uses a report that we have added. So this is the dashboard, how it look like, and it shows you all the parts which has been used for a particular asset over a period of time. So you get more, visibility into the part used for a particular asset and in the maintenance progress here. So you can, the first column is where you can choose the date range here. You can choose the start and end date, or you can choose, just any of the last week or last month or last quarter here. So I'll select last quarter here, and I've selected all the assets here. So once you click on submit, you will see all the parts which has been used for a particular asset will be visible here. So as you can see, this particular part is used for this asset here, and three quantity has been used, and the cost of each particular part is this, and the total cost for the total parts which has been used is particularly this. And you can also download this report in any of the format that you want. So, so it will help you, to maintain the details of all the parts which has been used for asset at one place, and you can also download the report. One note is that you can only see these reports once the work order is closed. So any of the work orders which has been not closed and the parts has been used, it will not be visible here. So this is about the asset-wise part uses report that we have added in the report section here. The second enhancement that we have done is in the Asset 360. So let me quickly take you to the Asset 360 here. I will select one of the asset here, and I'll go to the 360 section here. In the part section, we have done some improvement here. So initially there was only the parts which has been associated is visible into the part section here, but now we have added a uses section here. So all the parts which has been used for this particular asset for the last 6 months will be visible here. So all the details about the part, such as the part name, part code, how many quantity which has been used, the total cost which has been incurred for the organization, which work order it has been used, a work order date is also visible. So you will get an idea about for the last 6 months how much finance wise and parts wise parts has been used for this particular asset here. And same as the asset wise part report section here, only the closed work order data will be visible into this users section for the enhancement that we have done for asset 360 here. So this is the second enhancement that we have done. The third is the weekly digest email. So to keep our users informed about the maintenance operation which has been going on in their organization, we have introduced an automatic weekly digest email here. So this is the template of the weekly digest email would look like. So here you are going to get the MRO request, the total number of MRO requests which has been raised, the total number of preventive work orders, the total number of on-demand fault work orders which has been created, work orders completed and closed, work order completed on time, and total downtime for the fault work order. So all these information will be visible into this email that you will get on every Monday at 1 a.m., which will be received by all the admins and the manager users, so that after the end of every week and the start of the new week, you will have all the information which is required to take decisions according to your organization need. So all these information will be available to you at the start of every week. Talking about the last feature, last but not least, we have added a support page, a dedicated support page for Fogwing CMMS. So to access that, you have to select setting from the menu item here, left menu item here, and you have to move to the account setting here. And in the account setting, you will see the support section here. So once you click on the support section, you will get a dedicated page where you can create any sort of request. So if you have any requirement or a feedback, as you can see in the request type here, if you want some support, if you want to give some feedback about any of the feature function, or just a normal feedback of our application, or you want some upgrade, you have some requirement and you need that requirement to be converted into an upgrade that you want to see further, you can choose that request type here. Then if you are facing some issues and if you are having some problem regarding understanding any of the feature and functions, you can also use this. And if you want to do some integration, or you want to do some data import uh, uh, for your organization, you can choose the integration option here. You can give any of the subject title here, and you can give some details about the problem that you're facing or any of the request detail information, so that our support team could understand the problem or the support request that you have raised here more clearly, and it will be passed on to the concerned team here. So once you fill all this detail and send your request, a support ticket will be raised, and someone from the support team will immediately reach out to you. So this is the last feature that we have added into this update here, and more of the updates will be coming into the next update of Fogwing CMMS. So stay tuned for these updates. We are going to do some major updates here. Over to you, Nikita.
Thank you, Prasad, for the great demo. We are confident these features will simplify your processes and support your goals. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.